Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android 11 or newer, Google Messages or Gboard installed. Once confirmed, set Gboard as your active keyboard in Settings. This lets you access Emoji Kitchen. Next, open the Play Store and update Gboard and Google Messages. Updates often unlock new sticker combos. Make sure to restart your phone after updating so system caches refresh. Otherwise, new features may not appear. These first steps get the foundation ready, so you can move straight into generating emoji mashups. Once done, open a messaging app that accepts stickers. Google Messages is the simplest choice. Tap the Gboard emoji key, then pick an emoji known for mashups like faces or common objects. These have combinable variants. As you tap, Emoji Kitchen generates sticker suggestions below. Swipe to reveal more combinations. If you want to reuse one, long press to add to favorites or drag it into the chat to send. This workflow explains how and why. Gboard composes overlays, and saving speeds future access. To finish, save your favorite mashups in Gboard so you can reuse them quickly. If stickers don't appear, clear Gboard cache and data. This often fixes missing assets, then reopen the keyboard. If that fails, reinstall Gboard and confirm your device region and language settings. Some features roll out regionally. Also check Gboard's labs or experimental settings if available. Finally, test Emoji Kitchen in another messaging app to isolate the problem. Backing up keyboard settings first prevents losing custom dictionary entries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.